Now students, we have the next topic, that is the modes of the chemical combination. After the study of the octet rule, that why the atoms combine in order to complete their octet or duplet, now we have the different modes of chemical combination. Different modes of chemical combination means that which type of bonds are present between the atoms, how the atoms present in a molecule are bonded together, or we can say that are tied together with which force that holds together them to form a molecule. So we have the different modes of chemical combination. So we are going to discuss one by one. There are basically three modes. Basically there are three modes. First is the ionic bond. Ionic bond. Second we have coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Third we have covalent bond. Covalent bond. So these are the three various chemical combinations by which the different atoms are adjoined. Let's discuss one by one. First, there is ionic bond. Ionic bond, it is also called as electrovalent bond. It is also called as electrovalent bond. Electrovalent, as the name suggests. Electrovalent, as the name suggests, is the bond which is formed by the electrovalency of the atoms. That what is the electrovalency of sodium? That is 1. After losing one electron, sodium becomes Na positive. What is the electrovalency of chlorine? That is -1. When we are talking, students, when we are talking of electrovalency, then we are talking of the charges. That Cl valency is 1, sodium valency is 1, but when we are doing its electrovalency, electric means charge, it is -1, it is +1. So this represents the electron valency. -1 means it has gained one electron, +1 it means it loses one electron. So ionic bond, also called as electrovalent bond, it is formed where there is complete transference of electrons. Complete transference of electrons. Where there is complete transference of electrons takes place, ionic bond is formed. You have also studied it in the lower classes, but just have a recall, recapitulate all the things so that our base becomes strong for understanding this chapter. So, for example, we have formation of NaCl, sodium, configuration 281, chlorine, configuration 287. This implies after losing one electron, Na positive 28. These are the 7 valence electrons which are represented. Later on we also discuss this topic, that is representation of the atoms by in the form of the Lewis dot. So one electron it will donate directly, full electron, it becomes Cl negative. So it becomes Na positive, Cl negative. So this is the ionic bond which persists in the NaCl molecule. Generally, the group 1 elements, there are group 1, group 2 and group 17 elements. Group 17 elements which generally forms the ionic bond. Okay. So similarly, in the assignment I have given you the various molecules. You have to draw all in this way. You have to draw all the formations of all the molecules in this way, in the form of the ionic bond or in the form of the covalent bond. Next we have second, that is the coordinate bond. coordinate bond. Coordinate means when, say in the example of NO2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it means its octet is not full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, its octet is full, it's not full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, its octet is not full. So in this way, this nitrogen donates the complete electron pair to this oxygen. So the difference between the coordinate bond and covalent bond is that in covalent bond both the atoms will share, but in coordinate bond only one atom donates and only one atom accepts, no sharing between the two atoms. Okay. Again I explain you that for this only one atom donates, but in case of covalent bond both the atoms donates and share the electrons. Here only one atom donates and sharing is done by both the atoms. Both nitrogen and oxygen share it, but nature is that only one atom donates. Okay. See, it is represented by this arrow. Arrow लगाते हैं हम. We use the arrow for representing the coordinate bond. Here in NaCl, anyone can ask you that what type of bond is force of attraction is present in NaCl? It is electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. Now students, we have the third category, that is the covalent bond. Covalent means you have also studied in the lower classes, that is the mutual sharing bond. Mutual sharing bond. The bond which is formed by the mutual sharing of the atoms is called as covalent bond. Say in HCl, chlorine shares the atom of the H. H shares the atom of the chlorine. Its doublet is complete, its octet is complete, and represented as HCl. So sharing bond is called as covalent bond. It is also shared but donated by only one atom. In this no sharing, here is complete transference of electrons that result in the positive and negative charge. Thank you.